Aries, this is Tara with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for the month of May 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to use Gateway Oracle cards. Besides, I'm also going to dive into this Mystic Moon Oracle for a love message. Aries, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. So please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Towards the final days of April, stepping into May, we have the Nine of Wands. Perhaps this period was a bit frustrating for you. You may have been challenged. I think you were overworked, but despite putting in your best effort, rewards were not coming in. Maybe your colleagues were also feeling that you had an uncooperative approach. Sometimes you may also have been getting a bit exasperated. Later, you may have realized that it was no point overreacting. Interestingly, for Aries, maybe estranged people had also tried to re-enter your life. Obstacles to overcome this month, or the challenges that May poses for Aries, is the Queen of Wands. Certainly, you are being called upon to use your contacts to get good effect. Perhaps you should also seek divine intervention. Interestingly, there will also be those periods when you feel as though you are being let down. Aries, you're also going to be somebody who's going to cold shoulder people, or you will give them the silent treatment, but then at other times you will put them in their place. Influences for this month, we have the Hermit card. Disagreements are quite possible for you, so it would be prudent to avoid them. Ideally, I think you should apologize, or you should bury the hatchet and move on. Again, work pressure is going to mount this month. Besides, you feel that people are not being cooperative or that they are not assisting you enough. At times, you may also feel as though you are being ignored or sidelined. Perhaps, Aries, you should not imagine things, or you should not presuppose things. I think you could also say something unkind to your mom, so it would be best to mend the relationship with her. Sometimes, the hermit could also mean that you want to retreat from the world, or you feel that you're sacrificing yourself a lot. It is also advisable to keep away from financial matters with respect to family members. Maybe you should let them handle their own affairs. The first 10 days of May, we have the Page of Swords. It's quite likely, Aries, in this period you'll be contemplating about the future. Maybe you are wanting to go out of town. But then financial issues could be an issue here. Maybe your father figure, or maybe your dad could say that he doesn't have deep pockets and he thinks you're being unreasonable. However, I think, Aries, you will put your foot down and you will stick to your guns. Basically, you're somebody who's not going to take no for an answer. Surely, Aries, this is a time to be very firm and resolved. Interestingly, in this time, you will also be quite pushy when you promote the talents of your loved ones. Maybe you're very protective towards them. I think you should also be careful, because gadgets or equipment that you share could lead to quarrels, so there could be disagreements on account of that. Be prepared, Aries, because your schedules could be disrupted, so you need to have a flexible mindset. Also, while dealing with clients or with customers, I think you should make allowances for them rather than let go of the opportunity. Bookkeeping is also going to take up your time in these first 10 days. Between 11 to 20th May, we have the Emperor card. This is your energy, Aries. Certainly, you will be feeling in control, but then try not to be too dogmatic or too bossy, because you could rub people the wrong way. Maybe you are going to assume too much. That is why it's going to compound matters as well. Maybe you feel that your near and dear ones are very critical of you, or they are censorious of you. Ideally, I think you should not misunderstand. Rather you should pay no attention to what is going on behind you. There could also be health issues which you should take care of. Definitely between 11 to 20th May is also the time which is good for learning. Even your skills will be appreciated. Maybe you're also somebody who's in a very competitive mood. The Emperor, as you know, is not going to brook any nonsense. Rather, he will sideline everybody. But you should keep in mind that cooperation will lead to gains. In case you're applying for a job, or in case there's an interview lined up, I think you should postpone it a bit. Nonetheless, while working, or those of you who are working, you will find that you'll be able to do a great deal. I think you'll be quite productive in this period. Sometimes you could also find in this month that you're sandwiched between your superior and the administrator. Maybe you don't know whom to follow. Preferably, you should listen to your superior because you will be following protocol then. Some of you could also consider taking loans. Towards the last few days, that is towards 21st to 31st May, we have the card Knight of Pentacles for Aries. I think you will be in an aggressive mood in this time. Maybe you don't like to be provoked, but then you will also retaliate when someone pushes you to the corner. There could also be some distressing piece of news which could perturb you. In case there's a work offer in this month, then it may not excite you enough. In case you're at the helm of affairs, then you may find that the management could ask you to hire her candidate, but then you will find a way out and you will ensure that the status quo is maintained. Basically, you see that this person, if he is hired, then he could turn out to be an insider, and this could make the work environment quite stifling. I think Aries, you're also somebody who could leave your boss irked. Perhaps you're going to start meetings ahead of schedule because you don't want her around. That is why this could annoy your superior. Interestingly, I think this month, those of you who are spiritually inclined will receive messages from the universe. Also, it wouldn't hurt if you're kindly disposed towards others. With respect to your love life, we have the card Promise or Diamond. Maybe this is a formal proposal for some of you. Interestingly, single Aries, I think you could be in a situation where you find that the opposite sex will try and impress you. Maybe you're also somebody who's trying to understand their psyche, or you could read up on how the opposite sex behaves when they are in love. There could also be those suitors who could invite you. Maybe they are planning on date nights, but then you will definitely want to steer clear of this relationship, even if this person has stirred at your heartstrings. Maybe this person thinks that you have an attitude problem, or that you think yourself as too high and mighty. In case you're crushing on someone, you definitely feel that this person whom you have on your mind is your life partner, though this relationship is not acknowledged. Maybe you think that a promising union is on the cards. Those of you who are in an unacknowledged relationship should also be careful, because you will realize that this person is just stringing you along. Perhaps he's undecided about the future of this relationship. Maybe you're trying to understand his thoughts, but then he could choose to ignore you. Ideally, I think Aries should not cling to this person even if you are concerned about his well-being. Interestingly, for many of you, there could also be a reconnection with somebody from your past. Maybe an ex-flame could reach out to you, but then you have moved on. Perhaps he wants to rekindle the romance and he wants to offer this diamond ring, but you are not keen. Romancing Aries, I think oftentimes you will find yourself grooming yourself. Maybe you are looking at yourself on the mirror way too often. Some of you could also update your social media account. Maybe you will put pictures to attract the attention of the person you are dating. Nonetheless, I think your person is somebody who finds conversations with you quite meaningful. There's compatibility, there's intimacy as well in this relationship. Sometimes, this person could be quite insecure. Perhaps he thinks that you could return to your ex. Nevertheless, your person is somebody who is going to open up, or he is going to express his feelings for you. It's quite possible you may also be discussing marriage plans. On the other hand, married Aries, I think maybe you are going to be suspicious of your spouse. Aries men, I think we shouldn't be too bossy in this relationship, because we did have the Emperor card. In case you are in an extramarital relationship, I think you should be very careful. Even those of you who are in a secret romance, I think there's a high possibility that somebody could bust your romance, and this could leave you squirming. Let's pick a card from this deck. Let's just shuffle the deck. We do have this card you're receiving from angels. Surely, Aries, you're getting divine guidance from the angels. They're guarding and protecting you in this month. I think this lady or she is being embraced by the wings of an angel. This is the angel at the back, and this is the lady here. So, likewise, you're also going to be somebody who's going to be filled with love. Perhaps your person is also going to express himself evocatively this month. Undeniably, blessings are coming your way. I think you should be open and let wisdom and learning be a part of your life, because be still or be quiet and listen to whatever the messages you're getting from your angels. Besides, you should also keep in mind that everything is going in the right direction. I hope, Aries, you liked your reading. This is Shah with Rihanna Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have other pick a card readings. Besides, we also have the weekly love reading, which is published every week before the week commences. Have a look at that as well to get greater insight into your love life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.